Today's project. A little trip this weekend. I ran into an issue. Look at that one. That's like a teenager over there. Look at it. Blowing all the way up to the top. Look at that one over there. That one ain't even going to hit the belly button. Okay, let's see what we got going on. I already know what's going on. Cold weather states, these are notorious for cracking. Oh yeah, look at the fluid dripping out of there. So either we have a split hose or it's cracked. I'm going to say cracked. So, oh yeah, you can look. That's like an 8 Mile horse mattress. That's what I'm seeing right there. Okay, let me get this sound deadener off and see what we got going on. All right, let's get this show going. You don't have one of these, get one of these. A lot of times you can reuse these push pins. You get them out. It's not every part store on the planet carries them. I'm laying money on the cracked sprayer. Well, I don't know how many got more. One more. Well, ooh, it hit the ground. I lucked out. Look at here. That baby, it is cracked. Okay, let's get to replacing that. Just to show you. I can't tell you. Oh, Jojo. I can't tell you how many of these I replace, especially if you get a winter that drops down to 20 below. These things always let loose. Okay, let's get to replacing it. Okay. Ford makes several different versions of these. Some of them actually have the angle on them. But there's two main different ones. One's for trucks and one's for the normal cars. Easy part's going to be this. Just squeeze the tabs down. That comes right out. I wonder if this is the same angle or not. This says 12. That says 12. I got the same one. Okay, this is the hard part. These things always break in here. You know what I do with my screwdriver? I like to peel the side of it around first. Look at it, it's just crumbling right out of there. Okay, yeah, look, I can't even get a pair of needle nose in here. That thing just disintegrated. Okay. I think I got most of it out. But you know what needs to be done, right? We're going to go full Peter North on this. Okay, that should have done it. Jesus. Sink. This should have blown out any nastiness that was stuck in that hole. It's just got little itty bitty tabs here. That easy. I'm going to go check it, before I put the hood blanket back on. Make sure I got all that stuff out of there because I don't want to plug up the new nozzle. Okay, it passed the squirt test. I wonder how much the dealer would have charged to do this. I guarantee it would have been all of $100, if not more. I like putting the center one in first. There we go. They probably would have charged you for new push pins, and the mechanic probably wouldn't have used them. He would have put them in his toolbox for another job that he screwed up down the road. Didn't want to tell the service manager. Don't ask me how I know that shit happens. At least it did in the 80s. Oh, that other one hit the ground. Oh, it didn't roll to the center of the car. Fantastic. If you got a shot of my head and my hair is all messed up, I don't care. I got out of bed and I just did this. I got nobody to impress right now. My wife's at work. I'll take a shower when she gets home. Okay, let's give her a try. Oh yeah, I'm hitting the top of the Piton Mountains with that. In business. Oh God. I hate sync. I can't stand sync. It never works. Well, as always, with every job, we're going to finish with some NA. I got to ride the lawnmower today. Bring out the weed leaf blower. I don't want to hurt myself. Drink responsibly when you're out in public.